California may ban Glock sales. California's Assembly approved AB 1127, a bill that could ban the sale of Glock pistols. The law targets guns that can be easily modified into automatic weapons using illegal Glock switches. While those devices are already banned, this bill expands the definition of automatic firearms to include any weapon that can be converted, like the Glock Gen 3, still legally sold in the state. Supporters say it's a public safety measure. Critics argue it punishes legal owners and threatens constitutional rights. If the Senate passes it and Governor Gavin Newsom signs it, California would become the first U.S. state to directly outlaw a popular handgun model.